Let's do a geode challenge.
Today, we're doing a challenge. This challenge is to see how many geodes my husband can cut open in 3 minutes using our slab saw.
Alright, the clock is ticking. Let's get to cutting.
I don't care how many you can cut in 3 minutes, as long as they're hollow and as long as they're sparkly on the inside. I want to know your best geode facts.
Did you know that the state rock of Iowa is the geode?
It sounds like we need to hop in the car and take a road trip to Iowa then.
I've got another interesting fact for you. There's probably geodes on Mars and on the moon.
That sounds pretty far-fetched, but I'm listening.
So geodes need water to form, right? And there's evidence to suggest that Mars has lost entire oceans of water in distant past. So scientists think that geodes form where oceans dry out. So there has to be geodes on there, right?
I had no idea, but that totally makes sense.
Okay, I have another good one for you. What is the most expensive geode ever found?
My guess is 50,000.
You were close. It's an amethyst geode and it's sold for over $300,000.
I need to get out and go rockhounding more then.
Definitely. The next one I have is not so much a fact, but a cool place we have to go check out. It's in Put-in Bay, Ohio. It's the world's largest geode, and it's basically a cave. It's called Crystal Cove, and it's located on a winery.
Stop. Say no more. Rocks plus wine equal I'm there.
Alright, enough facts. The 3-minute countdown is almost up. Okay, we were able to cut 5 geodes in 3 minutes. I'm impressed with the insides, nice and sparkly, just like my wife likes them. If you have a cool geode fact, leave a comment below.